Elon Musk out with a bold promise yesterday. He said there would be 1 million Tesla robo-taxis, I should say, on the road next year. And Phil LeBeau joins us with some of the highlights. I watched it, Phil. Do you believe it? Are we going to have robo-taxis in a year from now?
We're not going to have 1 million. He may have one that's approved to work in a certain area, in a certain jurisdiction, maybe in Arizona or in California, maybe geofenced in a certain area. Here's what he talked about yesterday. And Andrew, this was vintage Elon Musk. He pretty much said, NVIDIA's chip, we're better than that. Those who use LiDAR, we're better than that. He's promising 1 million robo-taxis, at least the technology in the vehicles to be robo-taxis by next year. If they are robo-taxis, however, the autonomous ride-sharing would have to be done through the Tesla app. Forget about Uber, forget about Lyft, has to be done through the Tesla app. And the technology, according to Musk, way exceeds the competitors. Here he is.
The fundamental message that consumers should be taking today is that it's financially insane to buy anything other than a Tesla. It'll be like owning a horse in 3 years. I mean, fine if you want to own a horse, but you should go into it with that expectation.
Vintage Elon Musk. So what's the reaction of the analysts who were in the room out in California for this event? Cowen out today with a note saying the Tesla network robo-taxi plans seemed half-baked, with the company appearing to either not have answers to or not even considered pretty basic questions on pricing, insurance liability, or regulatory and legal requirements. Waiting to see what other analysts have to say. As you take a look at shares of Tesla, we should point out this stock pre-market is down again, and it's now under $260 a share. Guys, there were some people who said, look, after this event, you're going to see a pop in Tesla shares, which we often see after these events with Elon Musk outlining technology. Didn't see it yesterday or not seeing it this morning.
So, Phil, is that an expectation that the earnings are going to be worse than people are expecting? Is that a warning about what happened yesterday and people saying, I just don't buy it? Mind you, by the way, Lyft shares went up. If you believe that, if you believe they're getting into the robocar business, you would have thought Lyft shares would go down.
Exactly. I think it's a little bit of both, Andrew. I think that a lot of analysts are saying we want to see just how bad the numbers are for the first quarter. And again, it gets back to this question of demand. Do they understand what the demand is worldwide? And then there's also some reaction to these plans. People saying some interesting technology, some impressive technology. You're not ready to launch 1 million robo-taxis by next year.